So let's explore this one of the movement of a monkey element. So the monkey element related or organs is our heart. Let me introduce how we're going to do this movement and breathe. First, sit down yourself and then bring the monkey hands up to the lungs. At the same time, shoulder blade area more close, open up the lungs and then exhale. But keep energy on the top. Then you inhale, bring the shoulder up to close your ear. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, and exhale. Then inhale again. Shoulder blade area close. Hold and forward. And then release. Use inhale, exhale, recover. By more practice, your body will be more used to more release them. Hope you like it.